Yeah, the next question, we are trying to find the inverse of this Laplace. Okay, so that's what we want to do in this question. So what we do is to write the fraction, write the fraction. Uh, okay. The next thing to do, we observe that the degree of what of numerator is 2, is of power 2, is less to that of what? To that of denominator. So in that case now, that will take us to what? Partial fraction. And then we have here, this is the linear factor, and that will be what? A over what? A over x minus 1. The second one is not linear. So in that case now, it's going to be the second constant will be b, and then with attachment to that your function x, then plus what? Plus c all over x squared minus 4x plus 13. So if you have quadratic expression, it's going to be, if you stop at a, to be bx plus what? Plus the next constant. So that's just how to do that partial fraction. Multiply through by the common factor x minus 1 into bracket what? X squared minus 4x plus 13. So if you do that, on the left side you have this remaining, you have this one equal to, so this one times this one, that will be a x squared minus 4x plus 13. Then plus this one times this one, that's x minus 1 into bracket what? bx plus c. Okay, so what we're going to do here, this is x minus 1. If you give this one x equal to 1 here, this expression here we cancel, then we can generate a. We have let what? Let x equal to 1, then we have 7 times 1 squared minus 41 times 1 plus 84. So that will give us what? So that will give us 50 on the left side. Then we can come here equal to, here, this is a, and that's 1 minus 4 plus 13. So that will be 10. So a is equal to what? A is equal to 50 over 10. And that's what? A is 5. The right hand side, open the brackets. So we're going to have this one times this one. Yeah, this one times this one. That's a minus 4a. Then plus 13. Then the second one, this one times this one. That's this one. Then followed by what? Plus this. Then minus this minus c. So let's arrange them together. Then we have this one, ax squared. Bring together the s squared. So we have a plus b. We have this s squared. What of the one plus? This is minus 4a. Minus 4a plus c minus b. Okay. So this is pulled together, arranged together. Then finally plus the constants, 13a minus c. Okay, so if you find a situation that you cannot substitute again, so what you do is just to open the bracket and arrange according to the tens of this. Okay, arrange like this. Then equate coefficient. So what does that mean? Here, the coefficient of x squared is going to be on the left is 7, on this right hand is a plus b, and we already have a as 5, so b is what? B is at 2. Equate coefficients of x, and that will be equal to, for the left hand side, that's the coefficient of x is minus 41. Here we have what? Equal to minus 4a plus c minus b. Okay? We have a and we have b. So that's minus 41 equal to minus 4. A is 5 plus c. B is what? 2. And that's minus 20 plus plus c minus 2. So that will be minus 41 plus 22 equal to c. C is equal to minus 19. C is equal to minus 19. So we've gotten all the first time. We've gotten A, we've gotten B, we've gotten what? C. So we now have the inverse of this is equal to, my A is what? My A is 5 over x minus 1. My B is what? My B is 2, that's 2x. And C is what? Minus 19. Minus 19 all over what? S squared minus 4x plus 13. So which is equal to inverse Laplace of this, then plus inverse Laplace of this one. What we are going to do now is to turn this one to perfect square, and that will be equal to half of this is 2, square that. Then whatever you are adding here, you take it outside, that's minus 2 squared plus 13. So we are now having this as a perfect square plus 9. So let's now come back and substitute. Let's call this one. Let's call this u. Let's call it u. So it is u now. 2x minus 19 will be equal to what? Can we make x the subject? That will be u plus 2 equal to what? Equal to x. So we have 2 into brackets u plus 2 minus 19. And that's what? That's a 2u. This is a 2 times this, that's 4. 4 minus 19, that's minus 15. Okay, inverse Laplace of the 5 here can come outside. So that'll be 5 here. Then 1 over x minus 1. Then plus inverse Laplace. With this will be, numerator will be 2u minus 15 all over perfect square is this, and that will be u square plus 9. Okay, plus 9. So let's return the u back to the original function. So and that will be equal to 5 inverse Laplace of this, then plus 2 into brackets inverse Laplace of 2 into brackets. U is what? U is x minus 2 minus 15 all over x minus 2 squared plus 9. So we now have 5 inverse Laplace of this, then plus this one we can break into 2 parts, and that will be inverse Laplace of 2 into bracket x minus 2 over x minus 2 all squared plus 9. Then this one here minus 15 inverse Laplace over x minus 2 squared plus 9. Okay, what next again? We can take these 2 outside, the inverse Laplace, so that will be 5, then plus these 2 into bracket inverse Laplace of x minus 2 over x minus 2 all squared plus 9. And then minus what? Minus this 15 can come outside. That's 15 inverse Laplace of 1 over x minus 2 squared plus 9 is 3 squared. So if you have 3 squared, we expect to have 3 at the numerator. So that's times 3 here. Okay? And if you introduce 3 here, you need to cancel it outside. Okay? So final conclusion, this will be equal to 5 exponential to the power t, then plus 2. This one will be exponential 2t, and then cos 3t. Okay? Cos 3t, this is 9. That must be b squared, 3 squared. And then minus this one, 5 exponential 2t, and then sine 3t. So that's that on this question. There's an icon on the video. Click on it, then subscribe to this channel so that you can keep track of the updates of this channel. Okay, and also begin to type your comments. Okay, and click on like button. And finally, let's take this video viral. Post it on your social media platform. Okay, thank you for